Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks to help you manage your finances better. In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 ways to increase your disposable income. Disposable income is the amount of money you have left after paying for all your expenses, and we all want more of it. So let's get started. Number 1, cut back on unnecessary expenses. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses is an important step in increasing your disposable income. Take a closer look at your budget and identify areas where you can make cuts. This could mean canceling subscriptions you don't use, cooking more meals at home, or carpooling instead of driving alone. Every little bit helps, so be creative and find ways to save money wherever you can. You can also track your expenses using budgeting apps or tools to help you stay on track. Number 2, increase your income. Increasing your income can be achieved through various means such as freelancing, starting a side hustle, negotiating a salary, or investing in stocks. Freelancing is a great way to earn extra income on the side. There are plenty of websites and platforms where you can find freelance work such as Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. Starting a side hustle is another great way to increase your income. Look for something you are passionate about and find a way to monetize it. When it comes to negotiating your salary, research the average salary for your position and industry and use that as a benchmark when negotiating. Remember, it's not just about the salary, it's also about the benefits that come with the job. Finally, investing in stocks can be a great way to increase your income over the long term. Number 3, negotiate your bills. Negotiating your bills is another way to increase your disposable income. Call your utility providers and ask if they have any promotions or discount that you can take advantage of. You can also negotiate your cable and internet bills by calling your provider and asking for a better deal. Many times the providers are willing to offer promotions or lower rates to keep you as a customer. The key is to be persistent and assertive while also being polite. Number 4, use cashback apps. Using cashback apps is a great way to save money on your purchases. Many credit cards and apps offer cashback or rewards for certain purchases, so be sure to sign up and start earning. Some examples of cashback apps in the UK are Shopmium, Top Cashback, and GreenGen. You can also use coupon websites and apps to save money on your online and in-store purchases. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of each program. Number 5, shop smarter. Shopping smarter is another way to save money and increase your disposable income. Look for deals and discounts on the items you need and compare prices across different stores and online retailers. You can also look to shop from factory and designer outlets where items are heavily discounted. You can also consider buying items in bulk to save money in the long run. Be sure to avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. Number 6, pay off your debts. Paying off your debts is an important step in increasing your disposable income. Focus on paying off high interest debts such as credit card debt first, and then work on paying off other debts such as student loans or car loans. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to pay off your debts faster. The key is to stay disciplined and avoid taking on more debt in the future. And finally, invest your money. Investing your money can be a great way to increase your income over the long term. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or exchange traded funds. Do your research and find companies with a strong track record of growth. Remember to diversify your portfolio and invest wisely. Consider using a robo-advisor or financial advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. Remember that investing involves risk, so always do your due diligence and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. So there you go. 7 ways to increase your disposable income. Remember, increasing your disposable income doesn't have to be difficult. It just takes a little bit of effort and planning. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance content. If you have any tips or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.